Hello viewers, this is Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make a paper neck pendant for kids. So we'll be cutting out art shapes from different 5 pieces of squared colored paper of dimension 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So pick the first square sheet, fold it 2 times, draw a heart shape on it and cut it out. Open up each of the sheets of papers and refold in this form. We're going to be refolding to have the shapes of art, one on each side, while 2 will be folded inwards at the middle. So we can retrim the. Pick each piece and join them together end to end. Fix a rope to it at the center and leave to dry for a while. Apply glue and bring the 2 ends together. So the lovely pendant can be worn by both boys and girls. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Hello viewers, this is Auntie Shemi, Kiddies Craft. Thank you for watching our videos. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on stylish and creative Kiddies Craft ideas. You could also like us and share our videos. Thank you.